Collard Greens TV. We're here today with the lawn and garden section. I'm working on cabbage and broccoli prep. As you see, I have already prepped these. They're all broccoli and cauliflowers. Broccoli and cabbage. I am so sorry. Broccoli and cabbage again. Cauliflower, I'm not doing this year. I'm sorry. It's broccoli and cabbage. As you see, these ones have already been prepped. I prepped them because it's just me and it's hard to prep and hold the camera. But I'm going to go through the process with you. I get my seeds here from a local nursery. It is Anchor Garden and Rental here in Mount Vernon, Illinois. This is the cabbage and these are the broccoli. As you can see, the prices are fairly good and there's a nice amount of seeds in there. Like I said, today I'm going to show you the broccoli and cabbage setup. I like to use these small red solo cups or styrofoam cups because they're convenient. I can get 40 or 50 of them in a package for $2.50. I like to use seed starter dirt. Usually I just grab what's available, but it's a seed starter that I grab. I don't look for a particular brand or anything. I just grab a seed starter. This particular bag was $6. Usually I do get it from the Anchor lawn and garden place. So, and I just like going there because they seem to be able to answer more questions usually than maybe like your Lowe's or your Walmart. But again, that's my opinion. First of all, with the cup, we would, we would pack it with the dirt. First of all, you want to make sure you have some kind of drainage hose. I poked 3 holes in the bottom of this cup. So you want to make sure you have some kind of drainage. Then I filled it with dirt and I loosely packed it. Once I loosely packed it in there, I took my spray bottle and I mist it. And once I mist it, I let it sit for a few minutes, and then I proceeded to make my hole. Now I like to use a straw, so I just use a straw, and as you see, you can see how far I went down. I usually go down about 1/2 inch. I just poke a hole, turn a little circle, and then I plant 3 to 4 seeds in each hole. I just cover it back up with my fingers, pat it back down, and then I take the bottle again, and I mist again. The reason I use the mist, everybody is different. I choose not to want to fill mine with water. So I don't want to have that muddy look. I just want to have it, the wet look for the seeds to start to germinate. Again, this is our broccoli and cabbage prep. I will be showing you week by week as they start to germinate and as they start to grow and as we start to take them outside to harden off and to plant. But again, these are the broccoli and the cabbage, Collard Greens TV. Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below, leave a comment. We will be back again next week, but be sure to check us out, Collard Greens TV. Yay, yay.